Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Sonic, and he's going to be kind of jumping out, kind of like a free fall. It's going to be very simple, easy for beginners, so let's get started, okay? Going to go right here into the curvature of Sonic's brow. That's a really big thing, kind of like in the between the eyes. Then I'm going to go over here on this side. So you got that U, kind of a open U shape, and I'm going to curve over here for one of his eyes, okay? Curve right here. Let's go over here on this side. Same exact shape. All right, just draw it close enough. Sweet. Now we're gonna find the kind of lower portion of his mouth. So I'm gonna go over here, curve underneath here. Kind of like he has like these kind of it's like a glasses shape to his eyes. You know, realistically, they keep saying he has like one eye, which is kind of true, right? Now I'm going to go to the bottom of his mouth right here for the kind of lower portion. Don't forget, if you like learning how to draw Sonic or anything like this, hit the subscribe right now. I go over cartoons, I go over, you know, dinosaurs, flowers, anything and everything. Check this out. Absolutely subscribe. You can always unsubscribe later, but there's no downside to hitting that subscribe button and click the bell notification. I'm gonna go over here now and I'm gonna curve around the side for the side of his mouth. Curve over here. Line underneath, up. So we have that kind of under portion of his mouth, right? That kind of just the muzzle area. Go over here and I'm gonna find the nose. So I'm gonna draw through the form right there. Go up, curve out. Then I'm gonna pull back here and then seal it down there. The reason you can go through that form is because right here you can draw a circle at the end and then fill in the rest of that. Curve underneath. Go over here on this side and I'm going to go over here and I'm gonna circle for one of his pupils. Line over here for another circle. Curve over here for a highlight. Curve here for a highlight. And then I'm going to draw the center portion, right? The iris. I'm sorry, the pupil. So I guess the outside was the iris, forgive me. Let's keep moving on here. And I'm going to go over here on this side. I'm going to draw a line like that. Like he's serious, like he's angry, like he's contemplating, like he's what is going on. That is the Sonic, you know, pose essentially. Gonna go over here on the right side. From this point, I'm gonna go up. Curve over here. Curve over. It's gonna go right into the brow. Line over here on this side, up. Gonna go over to the brow on this side. Triangle above those brows. So line up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, in. Alrighty. Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a line straight up because he's doing a free fall, so his spikes are kind of going to go up, downward. Okay, we got one peak. We got another peak right here. Down. Don't forget, hit up the Skillshare lessons if you want to learn the basics of drawing anything, meaning you can draw anything you want from your head. Go to the Skillshare. The link is in the description, okay? I have to say that because people tend to ask about it a lot. Just kind of, I have like hour-long lessons on there on like shadows, on, not Shadow the Hedgehog, that's funny, perspective, all kinds of stuff like that. Go over there and check that out if you're interested. Line over here. Let's throw one more over here on the corner here. There we go. So his spikes, essentially, its fur is kind of going upward as he's free falling, okay? So this is kind of the main part of it. So the rest of it should be a little bit more simple. So right here we're going to draw a curve for the belly, right? And this is called foreshortening. You know, you're basically putting one object in front of the other, so that's also in those lessons. Curve, curve for the color differentiation. So you got a stomach, and we're gonna draw one of his legs downward because it's free falling. Line, 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 line. Curve over here. Curve over here. Curve, 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 right? That's basically kind of the top of his socks area. And we're gonna kind of do a curve over here. Kind of looks like a, I don't know, like a worm or the letter 8, right? Like a marshmallow curve right here. His socks are kind of bunching up right there on one side. It's cylindrical. Curve over here. Curve over here. And you can do it in short little curves like that. They're kind of cute, right? Don't forget, if you want to learn how to draw something cute, I have an ebook on that. Sorry, I keep talking about stuff, but I just want to kind of get that one out there. If you want to learn how to draw anything cute, it has to do with proportion, right? Big eyes, but it's not just that. It's like the comparison. You can't make everything big or everything small. You have to make like the head big, but the eyes big, but the mouth small. And there's a very, very specific kind of science to drawing something cute. You draw a line there in the sock, line there in the sock. And that's kind of pretty much what I go over in that ebook. It is a visual ebook, so it's only like, I don't know, 6 or 7 pages, but it's like a chart on what to follow, what you have to do for the formula of making anything cute. You can make literally any cartoon you want or one you make cute. Go find that in the description. I'm sorry. That ebook is 100% free, so go take a look at that in your spare time. Curve right here. Curve right here for a shoe, kind of pointing downward. Almost looks like a Christmas light. Curve down over here. Curve down over here. We draw a. He's got these like white line over here, cross. Curve over here. Curve over here. And now we're gonna draw his hands, kind of going outward. We neglected that, so we're gonna draw a line outward over here, outward over here. Outward over here for the rest of the arm, right? It's like a tube. And now let's go over here on this side and draw the hand. So curve right there, same as the socks for that cuff that he has. Same thing on this side. He's got the cuff of, like, you know, the wrist of the glove. And then we're gonna draw his hand out here. So first thing we're gonna do is right there. Right there. It's gonna be the fat pad under the thumb, right? Out over here, curve down. Upward, curve down. Upward over here. There's another, like, just think of like a hot dog shape with another hot dog shape behind it. And another one until you can't see it. Let's go over here on this side. Thumb. Pulling up over here. Curve out. Down, up over here, down, right? Like a hot dog shape next to a hot dog shape. Downward, and then one more. That one you're gonna be able to see the whole thing. But as you can tell, he is free falling down. If you want, you can throw maybe another like a bit of a spike sticking out over here as he's jumping down. That's it. I want to thank you very much. Do not forget we have also coloring books that we sell. Go take a look down on Amazon. Sorry for all the shout outs and stuff, but there's a lot of stuff in the description. Take a look at that. You guys are amazing. I'm going to throw a really big change in the website soon, and I hope you guys enjoy it into the YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.